really thought it was done raining today, but that's alright, I need the practice. I could use the wet practice anyway. We're gonna get a little wet, no big deal. I'm just mainly concerned about the cell phone in my pocket. In my left front pocket, the audio recorder, in my vest pocket, and the GoPro Hero 10 on my helmet. But that's okay. Wow, that's a lot more water than I thought it was going to be. Wow, this really sucks. We might toast our phone. Holy crap, I'm soaked. That did not take very long. Oh, good Lord. Woo! Gotta love it, baby. Woo! This is a lot of water. Like, this is a lot more water than I anticipated. I thought it was done raining. I really did. But it's actually good to get out and things like this too, you know? It's good to actually practice in multiple types of weather conditions. The biggest issue I'm having is, I mean, I'm wet, obviously, and these are just Wrangler jeans, man. Like, you can just see, man, look at the water just splashing up from the front tire, dude. I'm a fair weather kind of guy, but I mean, if I get caught in the rain, I accept it, but I left the house 5 minutes ago. I thought it was done. This is stupid. But you gotta be prepared for things like this. And honestly, I need more wet weather practice because I don't usually ride in the wet. Because like I've said before, if it ain't fun, it ain't fun. If I ain't having fun, I ain't doing it. The biggest thing is mainly just taking her a little easy, turning a little slower, accelerating a little slower, especially on my 2008 Kawasaki Mean Street 1600. And that's mainly because if I goose this thing too hard, my back tires is going one way, I'm going another. Holy crap. And you know what? This wasn't even the vlog I planned on doing today. It wasn't. And my socks are now wet. Yep. We have reached the saturation. And the other thing too, when you're on a bike, especially a cruiser, all the water pools like down here. Which, I mean, it can be fun, I guess. If this was like 100 degrees outside, I would welcome this. But it's like 60 Fahrenheit, which isn't too cold. Unless you're soaking wet. But whatever. But even if nothing else, I mean, this is still a good time. I mean, any time you're on the motorcycle is a good time. That's a lot of water. It's gonna take you nice and easy. And see up ahead, that's the misleading part. Because I live in that direction. And it looks nice over there. So I looked out the window, the sun was shining. I was like, cool, I'm gonna go for a ride. Try to fit it in, because it's gonna get like chilly. Like all next week, lows in the 20s high, and like it was like 42 for like a good solid week, so I'm not gonna be doing much riding. I will say this though, I got mad respect for anybody who commutes on a bike like every day and is at the mercy of just stuff like this whenever it wants to do it. If anything else, it was good to get the wet weather practice. I have no clue if you wipe you guys off. I got no clue what this is gonna look like. Lens is probably covered in freaking raindrops, but hey, that's okay. We'll see what we can do with it. And oddly enough, this is not the first time I got caught in the rain. I got soaked back in the day too, making an OG Lucky Aces video, which you can kind of check out right here. And as always, y'all be good. See ya.